Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. This is a brand new space where I share practical lessons on self-publishing design and building professional digital products without hype, shortcuts, or guesswork. This is my first video here, and I want to start by showing you how I design a clean publishing house level ebook cover using Canva. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. If you want more content on self-publishing design and building professional digital products, let me know in the comments. And if you are an author, remember your cover is your first impression. So let's dive in. First of all, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a prompt to use on Canva. If you need the prompt, just let me know down in the comment and I will send it to you. Just type prompt and I send it to you. Okay, so paste it here, and this prompt acts as a senior publishing house book cover design who creates premium non-fiction. Boom, okay, here it is. So notice what I'm doing here. I'm not asking ChatGPT to design the cover. I'm asking it to think like a senior book cover design and give me a prompt that I can use inside Canva. This is how you get professional results. Copy the prompt and go to Canva. Go to Canva and go to Magic Media and then paste the prompt. Then you hit generate. Sorry, my connection is a little bit slow. Here it is. So as you can see, Canva generates a beautiful background design. You can just click it and replace background, and you have it here. So use the text, add a heading, for example, Smart Money Basic for college students, and you send it here, put it on this, and you center it here, drag. Now change the typography to Monster. I always use Monster because it's one of the most professional style. Sorry, okay, Monster. Put this on, and we change the color. Smart. Maybe gold, and make it more bold. Maybe choose Monster Gold. Anything that you like here, you can. These are the typographics here. Choose whatever you want. Extra bold. Center it here, and you add another background, maybe this one. Drag a little bit, right? you add subheading, for example, awareness. Practical guide to build saving and financial awareness. Okay. Add another box here. Drag it. Center. Regular one. Or a semi-bold. I like this one too. Sorry, rather. One stripe. Sorry. Okay, you're done. Now click here and click download as JPG or PNG and click download. So here it is. This is how you create your own cover design for your ebooks on Amazon.